Hi everyone, my name is Xiang. So, for this Semm3253 mechatronic projects, our group team is home automation. So, for me, I will do the home lighting system, and then my teammates Afiq will do the fire alarm system, and then Shafinas will do the air purifier, and then Wayu will do the door locking system, and Rizwan will do the security alarm system. So next, I will introduce my project design and how my system works. So this is my project design. So inside this project, I have three LEDs. I name them as LED A, LED B, and LED C. So for LED A, it is controlled wirelessly by the button and the potentiometer inside the bright apps. While for LED B, it's controlled by the push button, which is also a digital sensor. And then for the LED C, it's controlled by the piezoelectric sensor, which is also an analog sensor. So now I will explain the working system of LED A. So the concept for this system is, if you want to control the home lighting system wirelessly, you can straight press the button or the potentiometer in the bright apps. So imagine if you want to turn on the light, you can straight press the button inside the bright apps, or you want to adjust the brightness of the home light, you can straight adjust it by using the potentiometer inside the bright apps. Next, I will explain the working system in LED B. So actually, it is the same concept with our current home lighting system. When you want to turn on the home lighting system, you just turn on the switch button. And then when you want to turn off the home lighting system, you just turn off the switch button. So for this push button, you just press on it, and then the LED B will be turned on. When you don't want the LED B to turn on, you just release the button. That's all. Next, I will explain the working system in LEDC by piezoelectric sensors. When we press on the crystal of the piezoelectric sensors, it will convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Then the LEDC will turn on. So I put this concept inside our home lighting system. When we put a lot of piezoelectric sensor under the white tile, so when we press on the white tile, so it will convert a lot of the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Then our home lighting system will light up automatically. Besides that, we also can check the light intensity of LEDC by piezoelectric sensor through the Blink apps. So on the first meeting, I am the good leader. On that day, we done the selection of the good team. We decided that the home automation is our good team. On the second meeting, the Afiq is the good leader. Then on that day, we done the presentation of our on selector project that related to home automation. So on the third meeting, the good leader is Nurul Safinas. On that day, we are having a discussion on selection of the suitable sensor that can be used as the digital sensor and analog sensor. Then on the fourth meeting, the leader is me again. So we are having a discussion on the material selection that needed to use inside our own project. Then on the fifth meeting, the group leader is Muhammad Wahyu Setiawan. Okay, on that day, we are having a discussion on the Bring apps that can link our LED to turn on or off. Besides that, we also discuss how to use Bring app to check the light intensity of the LED. And then on the sixth meeting, we are having a discussion on the circuit construction. For example, how to connect the wire to link the not MCU USB part 8266 to the output. So on that meeting, the group leader is Muhammad Rizwan. Okay. And then on the seventh meeting, the group leader is Muhammad Afiq again. So we are having a discussion on the difficulties that we face during the circuit construction. Besides that, we also discussed about the programming code that need to run the not MCU ESP 8266. And then on the second last meeting, which is the eighth meeting, the group leader is Nurul Sabina. And then we are having a discussion on the report preparation. For example, what I needed to write inside the report and how to complete our report. And then on our last meeting, the group leader is Muhammad Wahyu. And then we are having a discussion on the video preparation. For example, what content I needed to put inside our video. That's all. Thank you. So our platform for the meeting is Google Meeting. Thank you.